on this auspicious occasion of Women's Day, the thought of the day is, no matter, even if it takes a while, you handle every responsibility with a smile. I repeat, no matter, even if it takes a while, you handle every responsibility with a smile. Thank you all.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today's news are as follows. Delhi Public School, Gomptinagar Extension, celebrating Women's Day on 8th March under the blue sky and cool breeze. Basically, on this day, women expect men to do household work as a token of appreciation. 90% parlance is full on occasion of Women's Day. The one who can't go out due to family responsibility can take help of Amazon, Myntra and Nykaa to order the makeup things. At the last, I want to end by saying that women are always the backbone of all men. Happy Women's Day. We love you all.
Let's move forward and call Mr. Animesh and Mr. Sankalp for the motivational story.
I begin my speech with न स्त्री रत्न समम रत्नम चाणक्य सूत्र 313 स्त्री के समान कोई और रत्न नहीं है अतलम तत्र तत्तेजा सर्वदेव शरीरजम एकस्य तत्र भूर्नारी व्याप्त लोकत्रयतृषा that incomparable radiance that was born from all gods and pervaded the three worlds came to one place and took the form of a woman. Devi Mahatma Adhyay 2 Shlok 13. Since ages, from Madalasa, Gargi to Malala Yousafzai, Greta Thunberg and Disha Ravi, women are expected to live a confined domestic life and they have been struggling hard to get rid of patriarchy. From trying to break free from the shackles of social discrimination, cultural bias, tax of being an inferior sex, to fulfilling their responsibility of maintaining a home and a family, women are now finally acknowledged, appreciated and admired for their roles. Proving their creativity, determination and skills, women today have conquered the sectors of retail, education, technology and social work as well as military. To quote some few, Kiran Majumdar-Shaw, Otmar Gold Medal for her role in the progress of science and chemistry. Meena Bindra, clothing and designing, with a meagre 8,000 rupees she started the brand Biba and now ended with earning crores. Radhika Agrawal, Shock News. Surabhi Devra, Mera Career Guide, a career counseling website started by her. Hima Das, a well-known figure known as Ding Express. Avnish Trivedi, first fighter pilot, Indian Air Force. List is long. These women of steel inspires us to be brave and to be best version of ourselves. I end up with Dashputra Samakanya, Dashputrat Pravardanam, Yat Phalam Labate, Martis Labdhyam Kanetya. एक बेटी 10 पुत्रों के समान है, जो भी फल एक व्यक्ति को 10 पुत्रों को पालने से प्राप्त होता है, वही एक अकेली बेटी को जन्म देने से प्राप्त हो जाता है. इसका पुराण कुमारी खंड देशमाध्यक्ष रूप से. Now I would like my friend Sankalp to share an inspirational story with we are aware of.
Good afternoon all. A very happy Women's Day to all the beautiful and wonderful ladies present here. So I'm going to start my story with a motivational quote by Hillary Clinton that women are the largest untapped reservoir of talent in the world. In the present day, world one may get easily discouraged by the stories of gender pay gaps, women's lack of rights, and violence against women. Let's take a different route today, and instead of dwelling on how far we have to go, I want to focus on how far we have come. So, let me share the story of a figure whom we all are quite familiar with. With little evidence of her early years, I am sure she must have been a dedicated worker and a bright personality who was determined to reach for the stars. Her achievements here are worth mentioning as she has an impressive and impeccable academic record. A rank holder graduate from Punjab University, postgraduate from the esteemed Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh and training from IGNOU. She joined CMS RDSO as an ICSE biology teacher in 1994 and was promoted as in charge of ICSE and ISC in the very next year. Later, she joined CMS Kanpur Road in 1996 in the same capacity. Her dedication towards education and well-being of students led to her promotion as a vice principal. These may sound like a lot, my friends, but there is still more to listen. She has won several scholarships and awards, including NET and JRF scholarship and lectureship by CSIR and UGC. GATE from IIT, ICMR scholarship to pursue research in metal toxicity. Ma'am was handpicked by CISCE for socio-cultural study of Japan in Tokyo to lead the delegation in the year 2007. A Government of India initiative. Recently, she was honored as the head teacher of the year in the secondary school 2019 at the Elites World Education Summit. Currently, she is the principal at one of the most recognized and established institution, DPS Gomti Nagar Institute. Yes, this amazing figure is no other than our very own beloved Principal Ma'am. Ma'am, you are an inspiration for many, and I'm sure this is not the end. There is still a lot more to be added to your list of achievements, and keep on motivating us. Here is to the strong women. May we know them, may we be them, and may we raise them. This was a story of, I think I have made it very clear, of our Principal Ma'am. So a huge round of applause for Ma'am. Yatra naresatu pujyante ramante tatra devata. Wherever women are adored and regarded, I believe there reside godly people. The Srimad Bhagavad Gita says, women should have the keen desire and capability to give shelter and support to others. Have a good memory to remember her duties, deep thinking power, good intuition, courage, boldness to face odd times, and kindness to pardon others. Meaning of Kanya. The word Kanya is a derivative of root Ni, which means to shine or to be lustrous or to be illuminate. Thank you.
नमस्कार। 364 दिन वो हम सभी के लिए एक है, बचा एक दिन, वो है महिला दिवस यानी वुमेन्स डे के रूप में आज हम लोग मना रहे हैं। दोस्तों, आज के इस उपलक्ष्य में मैं नारी का उस रूप में प्रकाश डाल रहा हूं जिसके आगे स्वयं परम आत्मा भी नतमस्तक हो जाती है। और दोस्तों, वो रूप है माँ का। दोस्तों, याद करते हैं उस समय को जब हम बहुत छोटे थे, माँ का स्तनपान किया करते थे, तो उस माँ का एक स्तन मुंह में लेके अपने छोटे छोटे पैरों से उसके दूसरे स्तन पर न जाने कितनी बार लात मारी, परंतु उस माँ ने हमें दूध पिलाना कभी बंद नहीं किया। मित्रों, लात खाकर भोजन देने की शक्ति यदि उस परमपिता परमेश्वर ने किसी को दी है तो वो सिर्फ माँ को दी है। माँ के अलावा दुनिया में किसी को ताकत नहीं दी है। दोस्तों, रमेश सोच की पंक्तियां मुझे याद आ रही हैं, मैं आप सबसे साझा करता हूं, मुझे अच्छी लगती है और जब भी मुझे मंच मिलता है तो मैं ये पंक्तियां जरूर बोलता हूं कि बहुत रोते हैं दामन हमारा नम नहीं होता, इन आंखों के बरसने का कोई मौसम नहीं होता, मैं अपने दुश्मनों के बीच भी महफूज रहता हूं, मेरी माँ की दुआओं का खजाना कम नहीं होता। कविता आरंभ शुरू करने के पूर्व स्वामीनाथ पांडे की मैं कुछ पंक्तियां आप इसे साझा करके अपनी कविता को आरंभ करता हूं। स्वामीनाथ पांडे ने तीन पंक्तियों का उपन्यास लिखा, जिसमें लिखा कि एक विधवा माँ थी, उसके दो बेटे थे। एक बेटा ऊपर वाले माले पे रहता था, दूसरा बेटा नीचे वाले माले पर रहता था। विधवा माँ 15 दिन एक बेटे के यहाँ खाना खाती थी, विधवा माँ 15 दिन दूसरे बेटे के यहाँ खाना खाती थी। लेकिन इस विधवा माँ का सबसे दुर्भाग्य था कि साल में जो महीने 31 दिन के होते थे, उस एक दिन उस माँ को भूखा रहना पड़ता था। मित्रों, 9 महीने पेट में रखने वाली वो माँ जब एक जवान बेटे को भारी लगने लगी तो ओम व्यास की कविता मैं आप सबके समक्ष रखता हूँ। आनंद लीजिए मेरे साथ इस सुंदर सी कविता का। कि माँ संवेदना है, भावना है, एहसास है। माँ संवेदना है, भावना है, एहसास है। माँ जीवन के फूलों में खुशबू का वास है। माँ रोते हुए बच्चों का खुशनुमा पलना है। माँ मलथल में नदी या मीठा सा झरना है। माँ लोरी है, गीत है, प्यारी सी थाप है। माँ पूजा है, थाली है, मंत्रों का जाप है। माँ आंखों का सिसकता हुआ किनारा है। माँ गालों पे पप्पी है, ममता की धारा है। माँ झुलसते दिलों में कोयले की बोली है। माँ मेहंदी है, कुमकुम है, सिंदूर है। माँ कलम है, दवात है, स्याही है। माँ त्याग है, तपस्या है, सेवा है। माँ फूंक से ठंडा किया हुआ कलेवा है। माँ अनुष्ठान है, साधना है, जीवन का हवन है। माँ जिंदगी के मोहल्ले में आत्मा का भवन है। माँ चूड़ी वाले हाथों के मजबूत कंधों का नाम है। माँ काशी है, काबा है, चारों धाम है। माँ चिंता है, याद है, हिचकी है। माँ बच्चे की चोट पे लगी सिसकी है। माँ चूल्हा, धुआं, हाथों का छाला है। माँ जिंदगी की कड़वाहटों में अमृत का प्याला है। माँ पृथ्वी है, जगत है, धूरी है। माँ बिना सृष्टि की कल्पना अधूरी है। तो ये कथा अनादि है और ये अध्याय नहीं है। और माँ का जीवन में कोई पर्याय नहीं है। और माँ का जीवन में कोई पर्याय नहीं है। तो माँ का महत्व दुनिया में कम हो नहीं सकता और माँ जैसा दुनिया में कुछ हो नहीं सकता। तो मित्रों, मैं कविता की ये पंक्तियां माँ के नाम करता हूँ। मैं दुनिया की सब माताओं को प्रणाम करता हूँ। एक बार फिर से आपको महिला दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
देर से घर पे आती हो, मन देर से ही जग पाती हो। मन दर्द दिल के छुपाती हो, मन रोटी नहीं पकाती हो। मन देर से घर पे आती हो, मन देर से ही जग पाती हो। मन दर्द दिल के छुपाती हो, मन रोटी नहीं पकाती हो। तुम जैसी हो, तुम अच्छी हो, तुम जैसी हो, तुम सुंदर हो, तुम जैसी हो, तुम अच्छी हो, तुम जैसी हो, तुम सुंदर हो। मन चेहरे पे कुछ दाग है, मन दिल में गहरे घाव है। मन सजना सवरना आता नहीं, मन आदतें कुछ खराब है। मन चेहरे पे कुछ दाग है, मन दिल में गहरे घाव है। मन सजना सवरना आता नहीं, मन आदतें कुछ खराब है। तुम जैसी हो, तुम अच्छी हो, तुम जैसी हो, तुम सुंदर हो, तुम जैसी हो, तुम अच्छी हो, तुम जैसी हो, तुम सुंदर हो। मन तेरा कोई हम दम नहीं, तू अकेले किसी से कम नहीं। बच्चे खुद स्कूल जाते हैं, पापा लेने नहीं आते हैं। माना तेरा कोई हम दम नहीं, तू अकेले किसी से कम नहीं। बच्चे खुद स्कूल जाते हैं, पापा लेने नहीं आते हैं। तुम जैसी हो, तुम अच्छी हो, तुम जैसी हो, तुम सुंदर हो, तुम जैसी हो, तुम अच्छी हो, तुम जैसी हो, तुम सुंदर हो, तुम जैसी हो, तुम अच्छी हो, तुम जैसी हो, तुम सुंदर हो।
I only speak what I feel from the heart. I don't believe in, I may cut copy paste, which we all do, but then I only speak what I feel. So sorry if you were expecting a long speech, you're not getting that. And I start with a lot of hugs and wishes for the fierce, faithful, and free women all collected here. A salute to every woman, not only in this campus, but in the whole world, for being what you are. You are the real architects of society, and you are all strong, you are compassionate. And as gentlemen have told us at least 4 times today, that we are all very beautiful. So thank you so much for acknowledging that we are all beautiful women. Inside out, unique, we are powerful, and we are all ambitious. By unique, why I took this quotation from one of the WhatsApp messages was, by unique, what we mean is, I recollect the famous cartoonist R.K. Lakshman. In one of his captions in a cartoon, he had written that, see, why has God created a common man but not a common woman? It's said a lot. There are common men but no common women. All women are unique, all women are extraordinary. Today the men are really going to get offended because all for the women today in the speech. This year's theme for International Women's Day is Choose to Challenge. This aims at highlighting the issues and problems that women are still facing in their respective lives. We are the fortunate ones, we are the educated ones, and we are probably, most of us are from that part of society where probably now we have stopped facing what maybe our grandmothers might have. But then there's a bigger section of society which is still struggling. So we all, as a part of the society, must aim to at least help one woman, girl, anybody in your smaller circle or a bigger circle to come out of this, and that will be your achievement for a lifetime. If you remember, when we were approached by Mission Shakti to collaborate, cooperate, and advertise brand, we picked it up at DPS Gomti Nagar with lots of love, with lots of affection, with lots of feeling. We could have just finished that by holding one speech by the ACP from the Mission Shakti movement, and we could have just gone ahead and just captioned it somewhere in our newsletter, but we didn't go that way. If you've been observing, most of our things are being planned on those lines. We have a theatre which is working in that direction. We are having a branding team working in that direction. If you see the pink booths in and around Gomti Nagar extension, you will see Delhi Public School painted there. So the school is spending also on that part of it, of advertising Mission Shakti. And also, if you see the CSR movement, we have the Muskurate Chehre campaign. We could have just done once, sent the things to the wherever, to one selected place, and that could have been over, and a job would have been done. But we are not doing anything just for completion of a job. We are doing things with a feeling, with a project, with a higher perspective in mind. And I'm so happy that each one of you ladies and gentlemen are involving yourselves in our movement, in our path to these kind of activities which we are planning. And I'm sure the next year will be a bigger one, and we would be moving to another step of this movement. Women's Day is all about making the society realize that each individual has to work differently and change society towards a better future. By each individual, now here, by each individual, I mean the men and the women. So dear men, make a difference. And how do you make a difference? Be the man behind the success of any woman. She could be your sister, your friend, your wife, your daughter. She could be a part of your smaller circle, or she could be a part of your bigger circle, means the community. And that is when you make the difference. So educate the girl child, but make the men or the boys realize how important it is to be a part of their fearlessness, a part of their faithfulness, a part of their growth and freedom. Thank you.